So first you want to start off by carefully cutting out your template and tracing it onto your foam, and it can be as big or as small as you want. So now we can move on to the next. Okay, so here is where it gets a little bit more difficult. You want to cut out pieces of the template and line it up onto the foam and then trace it, if that makes sense. I really hope it does. So as you can see, I traced on different parts of the crest. So now what you want to do is you want to draw out the letters onto this part here, and you can either trace them, sorry if you heard that, that was my phone, but if you want you can cut them out and trace them, or you can just draw them by hand. So I'm just going to do that and then I'll show you what to do next. So here it is after I drew on the letters. And I also added a bit more of the details on the eagle. So now you just want to cut this out. So here it is after I cut it out, and it was a little bit too thick, so I had to cut it down a bit. So now we can finally move on to the paint. Okay, so I went ahead and I mixed some brown and some white paint together to create a lighter brown, and I painted the eagle and the border, and I also painted half of the wing a darker brown colour. And I'm just using this image here for help. So next what you want to do is you want to work on the background, so I'm just going to do that and then I'll show you what to do. Okay, so as you can see I painted the background a light blue colour, and then I just added some darker blue stripes. So now we're going to work on this part, so you want to paint the letters black and the background a light blue. So I'm just going to do that. So here it is after I painted on the letters, and yeah, no, it's not completely perfect, but oh well. And then I just outlined it with black puffy paint. Then I just outlined the eagle with brown puffy paint, and also painted on some of the details as well. And again, you can just look at an image for help. So now what you want to do is you just want to add on the detail on the border here. So I'll show you what it looks like. So you just want to paint that onto the border, and then you just want to outline the whole thing with black puffy paint. So I'm just going to do that and then I'll show you it when I'm done. So here it is after it is all done, and I outlined the border with brown puffy paint. You can either use black or brown puffy paint, it doesn't really matter. And I also outlined the eagle with brown, and I outlined the banner with black puffy paint. and I really like how it turned out. So now you just want to wait for this to dry and your squishy will be. So here it is the next day once it is all dry. And even though it's not perfect, I still really like how it turned out. And it's up to you if you want to paint the back. I just chose not to paint the back, but you can if you want to. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.